In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your Stripe settings to prevent failed payments on subscriptions. Having a streamlined payment process is crucial for maintaining your cash flow and ensuring a good customer experience. Today, we'll guide you through some simple steps to optimize your Stripe account to reduce the likelihood of failed payments. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Stripe website. Make sure you have your account credentials at hand to log in. Once you're on the home page, locate the Sign In button, typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on this will direct you to the login page where you can enter your email and password to access your dashboard. If it's your first time logging in, you might be prompted to go through a two-factor authentication process to secure your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Stripe home view. From here, we're going to navigate over to the Settings section. This area is your command center for customizing many aspects of your Stripe account. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's not something you often explore. Now, within the settings, you should see an option labeled Product Settings. Click on it. This is where you can manage specific configurations related to your products, including subscriptions. The next step is to find and click on the Billing option. Billing settings allow you to manage how you charge your customers and set parameters around subscription services. At this point, you should see an option that says Prevent Failed Payments. Clicking here is crucial as it allows you to implement measures that minimize the risk of a failed transaction. Within this section, you'll have several options and tips on how to optimize the billing settings. This can include setting up smart retrieves for failed payments, adjusting notification settings to alert customers before their payment is due, and managing how many attempts you'll make to reclaim a payment before it's marked as failed. As you make these adjustments, consider using the tools Stripe offers, like automatic card updates and email notifications for expiring cards. These features can be pivotal in maintaining a smooth transaction process and minimizing disruptions in your revenue stream. Don't forget to save any changes you make before navigating away from the page. Taking these preventive measures won't completely eliminate the possibility of a failed payment, but it will certainly reduce the chances. It ensures a more seamless experience for your customers and helps keep your cash flow steady. By following these steps closely, you're sure to be on your way to a more efficient subscription payment system. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing!